Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name's Vicki. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be sharing the second recipe in my lemon series. No, actually the third recipe in my lemon series. I've lost count. But we had the lemon gooey butter cakes, the lemon meringue pie, and today I'm going to be sharing lemon pound cake. You heard that right, lemon pound cake. You can't go wrong with lemon for spring and summer. It's so refreshing and light and airy, and it just gives you that light taste of something sweet that's not overly sweet, and I just love it for the summer and springtime. So let me show you what you're going to need. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I invite you to do that. Turn on your bell notifications so you don't miss any upcoming videos. I have a playlist coming next week for spring and summer salads, and you don't want to miss these. So let me show you what you're going to need for this recipe. I will have the ingredients listed on the screen as well as the recipe in the description box. 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. You're going to need the lemon zest of 1 lemon and the lemon juice. You're going to need 1 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of buttermilk. You're going to need 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I'm using my vanilla bean paste. 3 eggs at room temperature, and 1 stick of butter at room temperature softened. Let me show you how we're going to put this together. We will bake this at 350 for 45 to 55 minutes in a loaf pan. So make sure you preheat your oven while you're putting this together. Let's get started. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is add our softened butter or room temperature butter and a cup of sugar. And we are going to cream those together for 5 to 6 minutes. Got our stick of butter, and here is our sugar going in. So we will cream those together for 5 to 6 minutes until they are pale in color and light and fluffy. All right, let's scrape down the sides. You can see it's gotten light, very pale, whipped. The next thing we're going to put in is our dry ingredients. Sorry, we've got 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And put a little bit of our buttermilk in, then a little bit of flour, then a little bit of buttermilk, then a little bit of flour. Now we're going to add our eggs in. 3 eggs at room temperature, 1 at a time. Now we're going to add our lemon juice. And our lemon zest. We're going to also add our vanilla. All right. Okay, we've got our batter ready, and we're going to pour that into our sprayed, lined, it's not lined, I'm sorry, our sprayed buns pan. I could line it, I probably should. Some people said they had issues with theirs sticking, but that's not been a problem with mine, so hopefully it don't this time. Okay, so let's just go ahead and put it in our pan. Now we're going to put it in our oven that's been preheated to 350 degrees, and we're going to bake it for approximately 45 to 55 minutes until a cake tester or a toothpick comes out clean. If you're enjoying this video, just go ahead and hit that thumbs up or like button for me. It really helps me out. And I invite you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that and hang out with me. Okay, I just got our lemon pound cake out of the oven and it did come out clean. Already tested it. And the next thing we're going to do is make a syrup to put over this. Now, this is not the glaze or the frosting. This is called a syrup. And then we'll be making an icing. We're going to use 1/4 of a cup of lemon juice and 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar. I've already measured those out. And we are going to put that right on here. We're going to put this on our wire rack. Oh, wow, it did flip easy, didn't it? So, I'm going to put some of this on the bottom. We're going to let this cool completely, and then we're going to come back and make our icing. And it's only a few ingredients, and it's going to be delicious. Okay, we're ready to make this icing. We're going to need 1 cup of powdered sugar. I've got it right here already measured out. 1½ tablespoons of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of milk. So I've got a tablespoon measure here. I'm doing 1 tablespoon of milk and 1½ tablespoon of lemon juice. And it says that if you need more lemon juice, you can put it in there. It says that this will be sort of thick. It won't be runny. I'm getting that powdered sugar everywhere, ain't I? I did forget it. It did say to sift that powdered sugar for this part, and I did forget it. I think it's okay. I did put a plate under there to sort of catch that a little bit. Okay, looks like it's completely set up. So I'm going to cut a slice and we're going to try it because it looks amazing. I'm going to use this plate that's under it to eat out of since it's already dirty. And gonna right into there. Look at that. Oh, it smells so good. The icing's right on top. Let's try a bite of it. Okay, guys, this is so light and fluffy. Oh my gosh. That buttermilk and that lemon juice gives it that little bit of tang. Not overly sweet at all. That is absolutely delicious. That is so soft and just so good. It's amazing. So I have enjoyed doing this lemon series so much. I love lemon. Everything has been delicious that I've made. I hope you'll try these recipes. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Turn on your bell notification so you don't miss my next series that's going to be coming up. Our spring salads. I've already got 3 picked out. They're going to be amazing. They're not hard. They're going to be delicious. They're going to be fresh. They're going to be creamy. They're going to be good. And you're going to love them. So, thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And I'll see you in the comments. Bye.